Welcome to IMAR Europe. IMAR stands for Immold Decoration by Roller, and we are a manufacturer in the plastic industry. Our headquarters is in Dongguan, China, and we are from Munich, Germany. So we do the project management for all companies in Europe in the plastic industry. We're specializing in mold decoration, which is also known as IMD. So the main difference between IMD and traditional manufacturing is that when we produce a part and it comes out of the injection machine, it is already fully designed. And I will show you how this works. So if you compare the traditional manufacturing with IMD, it's quite simple. Both start with a mold and then you inject the part. But here comes already the difference. In traditional manufacturing, when you inject the part comes out raw, so it has no design. It might need painting, electroplating, imprinting. So you see, it will take a lot of time until you can finish the part. With Immold decoration it's different. We start with the injection, and while injecting the part there comes a foil in between, and we transfer all the texture layers of the foil to the part. The part comes out fully designed. Alright, so how does the foil technology work? So we have a foil with up to 16 layers. Each layer has 0.02 mm, which is really thin. And on each layer you can put different kind of physical attributes, colors, haptical elements, metallization, something like carbon fiber, leather touch, wood touch, glossy surfaces, even fragrance is possible. And all in one single foil. And after that, once you have produced the foil, you can just inject it and the part comes out with exactly the design you have made. When we talk about the design possibilities of the foil, think about Adobe Illustrator. Whatever you can design in Illustrator, that is possible for you for the part. So actually, the file you do in Illustrator, that will be our main artwork file. So you can imagine, you can do anything you want with this technology. Okay, so what are the main benefits of IMR? It's quite simple. Let's start with the cost. If you produce a part in traditional manufacturing and you have different kind of physical attributes, you need to separate each element into a single part, which will raise the cost for the mold and for the injection and also for the assembling. With IMD and our IMR technology, we can do all of this in one single shot. This will save a lot of costs. With traditional manufacturing, you will definitely reach limitations, especially if your design is complex. And that's why we came in with the IMD technology. We will make sure that no matter how complex your design is, we will be able to manufacture it. So the next benefit is durability, which is very important for a premium product actually. In traditional manufacturing, if you spray paint a color, after a time it will get scratched. With our special foil technology, we have a special hard coating technology integrated. This part is nearly unscratchable. The last and the most important point is environment. Actually, if you consider traditional manufacturing with all the emissions of spray painting, all the post-processing, we don't have all of these things. That's why we have the ISO 14001 certificate. Because in our factory, we don't have any kind of emissions. The part comes out fully designed. There's no spray painting, no electroplating. So as you see, for us, the environment part is very important. It should be also important for you. So this is the iRobot Roomba 980. And as you can see, this part has different kind of textures on the surface. And this part comes out of the injection machine fully designed like this. And I will show you now some features of this part. First of all, we have a so-called dead front effect. You can see it here. Only if the LED is lighted, you will see the icons of the buttons here, which is a nice design element. And besides that, we have a transparent surface here. We have black surfaces here, and you can see here very thin hairlines, and including a metallization, which you can see here. And the metallization itself does not block any signals. Alright, so I'll show you a quick scratch test now. I would like to show you now how we can use our technology to modify your design. I mean, as you can see here, this is the iRobot faceplate I showed you before, and we have used the same mold but different kind of foils in order to achieve a different finish. And the same we also did for the iRobot 880 handle. As you can see here, this is a clear silver foil we have used with the iRobot phone in there, and this is a more black version. But it's the same mold. So you can see with our technology, you can save a lot of cost. With the same mold, you can make as many designs as you want. Various iRobot projects we did. But besides iRobot, we also have clients like Bosch. So we made an alarm system for Bosch and also use the IMD technology we have. We have done the front surface part for the VR1. It's a virtual reality glass. And also for IMD parts, we have done more than 800 DFMs, which is quite a lot for IMD.